Estimelic skills.
Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Never by the way.
Well, we padel Soca makilwoni mama. And a year to reviewing a video. The Soca may so rest in peace. We makilwoni mama kachi wa nano purpose and message matiye obinoni the Soca tika chwalo ko neno about me ne kidma ena park me ne kede ko ano ruin kano me na tie machanlo petere maraj ken madong tete me keni and purpose ki message ma Soca kero iwere eneno
Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman, mama no betera kuman. Never by the way in, ilabukai never by the way in again, mama. Never by the way in, ilabukai never by the way in again, mama. Never by the way in, ilabukai never by the way in again, mama.
Well, cover none of clarity per way well, it's a little bit twisted. I don't know why it is poetic like Wepa, MC Wang, no Karma Bay. Pen part my child winning, Chan Logan, Petera Commando, Petera Commando, Mama, Kachi in Palo, stem skipping on, she been only messing up, been only paying. In other words, the next thing afterwards, any Chan Logan, no Petera Commando, man, Kachi no in Furikwa. So it's like he's talking to me and I don't compare. It's like Bakudok. That's the extent of Animuchan Manoni. I think depicting Quopa Soca, Quoma attack my America warrior.
No better kuman, never by the way in. Ilabukai never by the way in again, mama. Never by the way in. Ilabukai never by the way in again, mama. Never by the way in. Ilabukai never by the way in again, mama. Wouldn't my make it would ye? Who made a poye me water me go? Wouldn't my make it would ye? Who made a poye me water me go? It wouldn't my bell nail baker me go. Who made a bang man look in it? It wouldn't my bell nail baker me go.
Technical aspect of the quality been on in video ni rendering ki technology nyo encoder makilwoni VP9 video editors gingeo ngombe VP9 kidong resolution for video ni nyoni kid malache tekere tie by 2328 by 1080. That is the frame rate. Then frame rate, that is the resolution. Now resolution any catch now, it will sum to a quality only 2K video resolution is next to 4K, and it's just after full definition. Of course, you know, only full definition is after SD, that is standard definition. Sure, no standard definition, 360 and Canada. YouTube itself recognizes standard definition to be 720 ps. So, and then now frame rate per video frame rate per job video very smooth. The 30 fps, of course, 30 fps. Apple devices we supporting. That's why I'm kind of video quality low. And no more rendering at a higher quality at devices. Making my walk, particular supporting. So YouTube setting automatically we're shooting your need and also the level of your network. So kawa now stereo technology make it you carry video me way make one mama kilwoni hopas is a common technology these days. Pole chimme technology it came in recording voice it pole chere hopas.
Do my boke one yummy mama. No mere bokigi. Love my boke one yummy mama. No mere bokigi. Janlogo betera kuman. Mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman. Mama no betera kuman. Janlogo betera kuman. Mama no betera kuman.
Well, cover now technical aspect of the quality. Even on video ni rendering, technology, encoder makluoni VP9, video editors gingeo mambe VP9. Kidong resolution for video ni kid malache tekere tie by 2328 by 1080. That is the frame rate. Then frame rate, that is the resolution. Now resolution now it will sum to a quality 2K video resolution is next to 4K and it's just after full definition. Of course, only full definition is after SD, that is standard definition. Sure, no standard definition, 360 and Canada. YouTube itself recognizes standard definition will be 720p. So, and then now frame rate per video, frame rate per job, video very smooth. 30 FPS, of course, 30 FPS. Apple devices we supporting. That's why I'm mukana yarwa ni video quality low. And no more rendering at a higher quality to devices. Making my walk, particular supporting. So YouTube setting automatically we're shooting your need and also the level of your network. So kawa now stereo technology make it you carry video. We way make it one mama. Kilwoni Opus is a common technology these days. Pole chimney technology it came recording voice, it pole chere Opus. Quality pa audio ni kono tima be ma keneno morinono clear and also crisp audio and peki background noise distortion more can any quality pa video pa dena Soca can matikere kachi neno stability pa video ni ti I can say is highly stable. Call to an enemy camera person ni chalo yang chon stabilizer no repair chibirka tiki stand I believe pobirka moving that is gen mokonyo. In my own personal analysis where video is smooth transitions when timabe lomiel tika miel ma no camera pe ka shake ya tata. Mama, graphics work text timabe color grading timabe text it you futuristic font makeri wa yinka now timaleng madonyo mabela bon kera moka ken and well kerina nga iberke mar and impression in short donc kachi wachier dongo ngweji wijeme mkene yori obineno jemu tikan video enini probably viral. I think Soca himself was po you have to try where your man will be running and be around center at a lock. Come get money party against Soca. That is it. Video in picture trial, but video in the video my mate kind of emotion me is a sad emotion and of someone missing somebody that is missing the mother. May the man rest in peace and also may the new Soca rest in peace. Creativity ne umberbe mabe akai neno machwala chie ka expressing that type of begging. Subtitle no closed caption will play video ni then let me you care be level chule nyoni lu kilong inclusive designs berutie mane no jalo Germany. It is inclusive design be dey not accessible to disability sign mo ma en neuro sign mo ma nyuno be ma na ger be dum twal at least a few disability can realize wa mati video enoni che ana fo attack to twal ma na video enoni review pa we pa sa ma kelun mama tikin po which mo te po no wa iko manga manu be de so pijo mano pe ngio en be no be le we ra chien ma liet en po
Amigo beno no llama baby and no betera kuman mama no betera kuman jando go betera kuman mama no betera kuman jando go betera kuman